हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त सद्दाम चौधरी और मेरा कंप्यूटर सीखने का इस अनोखे चैनल जिसका नाम है स्कूल ऑफ कंप्यूटर, इस स्कूल ऑफ कंप्यूटर चैनल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to copy a data from your computer by using Nero software to your blank DVD or CD. So at first you have to put your CD or DVD into your DVD writer. Then go to Nero Start Smart. So you have to open this application. After you open it, you saw these options above this software. So easily you have to go to the data and go to the make a data DVD. Because I use DVD, that is why I use this option make a DVD. If you use a CD to copy data from your computer, then you can use this option make a data CD. Okay, now I am using make a data DVD because I use a DVD to copy the data. So you have to go to the make a data DVD, then run the program. After run the program, you saw this dialog box. Here you can see the space of my DVD. If you put a CD here, you see the space of CD. Then what you have to do, just go to the add button and click here. After click here, you saw a folder or file, and you have to find which folder or file or data you want to copy into your DVD. Now I am going to find it. So the data in my software folder, I am going here. Then I have to copy the software from here or select the software from here. So at first I select my Adobe Photoshop, then select the LibreOffice with the key of Control. You have to press the Control key, then click on the file which you want to select. Now what I have to go, I have to do, just click on the add button here. It show you how much memory or how much MB this for file data are captured in your DVD. Then what you have to do, just go to the here and click on the next button and then click on the burn. Then it is started to burning the data to your CD or DVD. So we have to wait some time. You see here the process are running. The percentage is 3% when here 100% complete your copy complete to your DVD. So wait for some time whether the 100% is going on here. The remaining time show here, only 3 seconds left. and the total time show here. You can see that the process is almost complete. You can see here. So burn process complete successfully at my DVD. Now what I have to do, just click here OK and click here next and click the exit button and go to the yes. You can save it. The burn process complete and my my data from my computer copy to my DVD. So thank you for watching friend. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो मेरे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ मेरे वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा लेटेस्ट वीडियो को अपडेट के लिए।